inspired Glizzys DC is I took a trip to LA, and I noticed that they had a lot of vegan options. And then I came back home, I was like, damn, there's not a lot of options for us. And so me and my homies had a cookout, and they had these vegan sausages, and it was superb. And in my mind, it clicked. I was like, damn, I could do this. Like, we could start a vegan half-smoked shop, because I've been vegan for 4 years now. And so then me and my buddy, we linked up, we found us a truck, and we was like, let's do it. And so we here now, man. And also, what inspired the name Glizzys DC? If you're from DC, you know that we call hot dogs Glizzys. It's been a thing we've been doing since I could remember. It's a joke about hot dogs, and so that's where the name Glizzys came from. I think basically what people can expect, we're trying to provide the best vegan half-smokes in the world. Also, like I said, Glizzys, it's a DC thing, so we named each hot dog after super important neighborhoods in DMV. So we got Columbia Heights, we got Capitol Hill, we got Shaw. So we wanted to name the dogs after some of the top spots here in DC. So as of right now, I just want to tell y'all to stay tuned. We're coming real soon. I don't want to give y'all the release date. That's it's going to be a pop-up, but to be informed, just follow us at Glizzys DC. That's on all platforms, or send us an email so that you guys can stay in tune. There's no release date. Our release date is going to be a pop-up, so be there or be square. You can find us on social media platforms. All social media platforms is at Glizzys with an S, DC. Or you can find us on our website at www.glizzysdc.com.